Hi there, this will just be a quick tutorial on how to read your owner statement. So the first thing to note is the period here at the top, and this is going to be the date range through which the statement captures. So this particular statement runs from August 1st, 2022 through August 30th of 2022. Here at the top you'll see your name and address here, and then on the right side you'll see the property that this statement relates to. Down below here is going to be all of the detail. It'll give you good detail about who either made a payment or who a payment was made to, the date, the check number or the receipt information, a description of the charge or the income, and then the columns are broken out here by any money coming in and any expenses going out. And then the balance here at the end is just a running total of those numbers. You can see here at the top, we have a beginning cash balance as of 8/1/22 in the amount of $2,775. Ideally, and 99% of the time, this will match the ending balance as of your last statement. So as of 7/31 of 2022, the ending balance on that report would have said $2,775. The only exception to this would be if there was a payment made, it's typically a payment coming in, so a payment from a tenant coming in, that happened after the time that the statement was posted. So any transactions that may have happened on 7/31 after that statement was issued could impact this beginning balance. But as I said, 99% of the time, this beginning balance will match the ending balance from that previous report. So what you see down here at the bottom of this section is a summary of that income and expense, and then the ending cash balance, which again should be the beginning balance on 9/1 for the next statement period. Down here under property cash summary, you're going to see the required reserve amount. This $500 here is going to be the amount that we are holding, that is your funds that we're holding in trust to handle any payments that need to be made on your behalf from the time that we make the owner distribution to the next time that rent comes in. It's really important that we make sure that we have these funds on hand so that we can ensure timely payments for vendors and utilities and things of that nature, and ensure that we're not incurring additional fees as a result of any late payments. The other thing that you'll see here is any prepayments made by the tenant. You can see here on 8/30 of 2022, there was a prepayment that came in of $1,625. That's reflected here. As of 9/1, when the rent charge actually posts, this money will convert automatically by the system into rent instead of prepayment. And this number will come off of here. But you'll always have a running total here if a tenant has made a prepaid, and that will account for that. If we have any work order estimates that have come in and we want to place, the system will automatically place those funds on hold so that the money is not distributed to you and then we have to request it back to pay for a vendor. So if we do have a work order estimate, that total will be detailed here, and you'll see that reflected in your ending cash balance as funds that have been held back to cover that work order or work orders. The next thing you'll see here, this report is called the Owner's Work Order Report, and this is going to be any work orders that came in during the month or during the time period specified on the owner statement. So regardless of whether or not the work has been completed or is pending, they will all be detailed here so that you've got the information about what has come in during that month. And then lastly, you will see any attachments that we have. So if a vendor submitted a invoice, or if we get a utility bill, those will all be attached here so that you have the detail and the proof to back up the owner statement and any payments that we've made on your behalf. Of course, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our team. We are always happy to assist.